Hey, city boys. So it's me, Saint, your favorite saint. I had to pause just to let the Catholics think. I am I not? No, but hey, city boys. So I'm gonna be starting the last portion of my mural. If you can see, I have four parts. I have 4 parts already, and we're gonna get on to the 5th and final part, which is going to be the centipede. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this process. Please make sure to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. I wanted to show you guys my birthday whole shindig, but I got a new phone and all that got deleted. My phone is so silly. That all got deleted. And then, but I'm happy that these 2 stayed. I'm gonna be uploading that this week. I already have it edited and everything. I literally just have to click upload. But yeah, bye sis. Hey city boys, what I wanted to do was just chat to you guys real quick. I just finished painting my centipede. Overall, the whole process of me creating my mural, all 5 pieces, the 2 of them I never documented. That was like 2 years ago that I created them, or 2.5 years ago that I created them. But the whole process of creating my mural at first to me was something that I just wanted to do, was something that I wanted to do, especially before I moved out, because I knew for a little second I won't be able to make drastic changes like that to my environment. So I'm like, girl, might as well do that now, like take up the opportunity. But what I ended up realizing once I got to the tail end of creating the mural is how transformative it was for me as an individual, and how much that mural spoke to my process and my transition of growing as a person, and just how beautiful it is just overall. I just want to thank you guys so much for coming along with this journey. When I tell you city boys, I've said it again, I'm going to say it again, I just want to take you guys along for the process of my life. Like, it's a lot of dark. And if you're not like a crier, at first I'm not gonna hold you, for a long time I was not a crier, but then I realized the powers that tears have, and not only the spiritual 4D powers that tears have, but the 2D powers that I have, as in healing the person, as in you as an individual recognize. Hey city boys, bonnet lean to the side, I look like a real painter. You guys can see how much I've gotten done with my centipede. Another thing, I ran out of paint, not out of all paint, but black paint. I ended up getting this kit of 48 from my job. This is the color variation, which is really broad. I like that, so I can't wait to try it and see how that works. If you guys already know, I've never been like a snob for brands of anything. I kind of just use what I got. I use what I got to get where I need to get. Like, honestly, I was the type of person, like, I never really cared. Like, if the paint is not pigmented, I don't care about doing 3, 4, 5 layers. I don't care about mixing and match. Like, it was never too deep for me, because for me, it's always about technique. It's always about texture. It's always about getting a look, you know? So I don't stop till I get my look. But yeah, so that's what's going on. I'll let you guys know in not the next clip, but in a few clips, how I feel about the paint. As in you as an individual recognizing your feelings and letting them be known. So if you guys are not into crying, you could just speed it up. No shade. But I'm gonna be as forthright and real as I can be during different stages of my life. I always depend on my higher self, my higher being, and the higher entities that I believe in, to let me know when I should discuss certain things, when I should not discuss certain things. But when I tell you guys are on one of the best journeys that you could have chosen to be a part of. And I'm not saying that just because it's me, but I'm saying that because it's the facts, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys truly did enjoy this process of me creating my mural. The first video, it did give very much somber tease. Like, it was like, oh, she's so sad. But that was just a part that I had to let out. You get what I mean? That sadness, that confusion. Sometimes it leads to disappointment. I'm somebody that gets very disappointed in myself, because I hold myself to very, very high standards. And even when I meet those standards, it's never good enough for me. So just being able to just talk in that video, it was a great feeling. I did say in the video it was excerpts from my notes app, not my notes, my voice notes app, so you guys can just see where my mind was at that given time. But yeah, guys, I'm just here. I'm just loving life. I'm loving my life and everything that comes with it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to HEYYYY City Boy. Are you guys ready for some more art, City Boys? I have an art showing today. I wanted to show you guys the video of my art showing, my first ever art showing, but I got a new phone and all of that got deleted. I wanted to show you guys the videos from my birthday, but all of that got deleted too. I'm so happy that I posted the Vince concert when I did, because that would have got deleted too. But it's all cool. It just gives more space for more memories. But yeah, bye, City Boys!